We know that, unlike stock markets, cryptocurrency markets trade 24/7, but even then, why do we witness a crash in prices during weekends? Well, today, let's find an answer to that question. Hey there, and welcome back to another video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content, just like this one. And drop a like for the video if you are excited about the future of cryptocurrency. Also, click the bell icon to never miss another video from us. With all that done, let us get started. The crypto market is famous for being extremely volatile, and these assets derive their value from the hype around them, and the value is also based on their utility. Cryptocurrencies in general do not have any intrinsic value, which means that they are not backed by any real-world assets like gold, for example. The price depends on what people are willing to pay, which only adds to the volatility. The decentralized nature of these coins also makes it really hard to predict prices for these coins. But there is one trend that is being observed with the cryptocurrency market, and that is the fact that cryptocurrencies often tend to crash during the weekends. But why is this happening? Well, let's dive into it. First and foremost, cryptocurrencies, as we mentioned earlier, can be traded anytime. Unlike the stock market, this has to do with the fact that these digital currencies are not tied with any centralized authority. According to the data from a few investment research, the average return for Bitcoin this year has been about 0.29% on weekdays, and slightly less during the weekends at 0.17%. The reason for this could be many. The first reason is because traders take a day off on Sundays, and when there is less trading of the coins, the prices will decrease. The second one has to do with the fact that the majority of the Bitcoin that we have today is owned by very few people, and when they don't trade during weekends, there will be a drop in the price. In pure crypto market terms, these people are known as the whales, and they can affect the prices of Bitcoin and crypto in general. Lack of liquidity is another reason for this Sunday effect, because investors can only trade with the money that they already have, and this requires the help of banks and other financial institutions, and chances are they don't work on weekends. The other reason as to why such a sentiment has to do with the fact that most of the news often tends to come later in the week, and by the time people act upon the decision, they will be greeted with a weekend. People who read the news late will also act late, and then the market will go down south during the weekend. The other reason is crypto margin trading. For those of you who don't know, this method of trading allows you to borrow money and enhance your position in the market. This is one of the many ways for traders to make a profit from their trades than they normally do by adding leverage to their position. But the problem here is that when the prices go down below a certain level, the traders are required to repay the amount known as the margin call. If the investors do not cover the loan, then the exchanges will be forced to sell the currency in order to receive the money they borrowed. When the banks are closed during the weekends, traders will not be able to pay the money they borrowed, and this will drop the prices even further. So to sum things up, the difficulty of moving funds during weekends and traders taking a day off on Sunday are the primary reasons for such a phenomenon in the market. With all that, we have come to an end with our video. Why do you think the market crashes during the weekends? We would love to hear it from you. So, do let us know in the comment section below. Also, a gentle reminder to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. Dropping a like for the video is highly appreciated. Catch you all in the next one.